think he's burped out.
Hey. Hey. Huh? Huh?
Do the thing with your shirt, see if he laughs.
Oh. If it doesn't laugh, my feelings get hurt. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Huh?
Oh yeah. I know the feeling, bud. I know the feeling. What a day. Today was exhausting, man. I went for a long walk, drank a bunch of milk. Do you know how exhausting that can be? Do you know what it's like to drink 6 bottles of milk in a single day? I had to chill in the bath for 20 minutes just to relax.